In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new profile for your GoDaddy account. We'll walk through the process from the beginning in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without confusion. If you manage multiple domains or want to organize settings more efficiently, creating a new profile can help keep everything structured and easier to manage. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, take a moment to look over the main navigation so you can easily find the areas we'll be using. Starting from the account homepage helps ensure you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, click on Profile. This will take you to the section where account-related settings and profile options are available. After that, click on My Products. This area contains the services and assets connected to your account, including your domains. From My Products, click on Domains. Here you'll see the domain-related management options. Then click on DNS. This is where domain configuration and connected settings are typically managed, so make sure you select the correct domain if your account contains more than one. Once you're in the DNS area, click on Portfolio. This section helps you organize and manage domain-related items more effectively. After opening Portfolio, click on Profile again. You should now be in the area where you can create and manage profiles associated with your setup. At this point, click on New Profile. This is the option that allows you to create a fresh profile from scratch. When the form appears, enter the profile name. Choose a name that clearly identifies the purpose of the profile, so it's easy to recognize later. Then enter the profile description. The description should briefly explain what the profile is for, especially if you plan to create more than one in the future. After that, enter the necessary details in the remaining fields. Be careful to review each field before moving on, and make sure the information is accurate. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent mistakes and save time later if you need to edit the profile again. Once everything is filled in and you've confirmed the details are correct, click Save. Your new profile should now be created and added to your account. And that's it. You've successfully created a new profile in GoDaddy. If you're following along, it's always a good idea to double-check that the new profile appears correctly after saving, just to make sure everything was completed as expected.